القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
In this video we're carrying on with the lesson of Ash-Shamsiyya wal-Qamariyya, the Huruf Ash-Shamsiyya wal-Qamariyya, the letters of the sun and the moon. And in the previous video we did the letters of the sun. In this lesson, inshallah, or in this video, we'll be doing the letters of the moon. So if we have a look here, we can see that the Fatha, or the Hamzat al-Wasl with the Fatha, is being joined directly onto the lam. And then the moon letter will occur, in this case the Hamza. So the Fatha is or the previous letter, whatever it may be, in this case it's the Hamzat al-Wasl, is being joined onto the lam. And then we are then reading the Hamza, or the letter of the moon letter. So we can say here, Al-A'nabu, Al-A'nabu, Al-A'nabu. So that is with the Hamza, that's how it's pronounced. Here we have Al-Babu, Al-Babu, Al-Babu. So we can say that the Hamza is being joined onto the lam. Now if there's any other word that comes before it, so for example we say Fil Jism, Fil Jism, the Fa is being joined with the Kasra is being joined directly onto the lam. Fil Jism, the Hamza is being missed here. Even though in our examples we were saying Al Jismu, then with the Fa, the Kasra will be joining onto the lam and we are going to miss the Hamza. Fil Al Jismu, Al Jismu. Same way Al Hayyu, Al Hayyu, Al Hayyu. Al-Khawfu, 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 Al-Aynu, 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 Al-Ghaybu, 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 Al-Famu, 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 Al-Qahharu, Al-Qahharu, Al-Qahharu. This is one of the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Al-Kalbu, 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 Al-Ma'u, 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 Al-Waliyu, 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 Al-Yawmu, 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 Al-Hawa'u, Al-Hawa'u, Al-Hawa'u. So here we can see the ha is in this shape, and here this is the shape of the ha. So now we have seen three shapes of the ha. We have seen one which is a smaller, like two circles. This is another shape where the ha is in this shape, and then we've got the ha is in this shape as well. So inshallah you'll be getting used to the ha. Now this is the lessons that you will be reading to your teacher, and if you have a look, we have included words here. So for example, we've got wal ardu, the waw is being joined onto the lam here. Minas samai, so we can see the fatha of this is being joined directly onto the sin. The alif and lam are both being missed. Minas samai. Okay, so just be careful of that and ensure you know which one's which. Which one is going to be the Shamsiyya word, like this one, or letter, and a Shamsiyya al-Qamariyya letter. Now I've just noticed here, this is the last way that the ha is written when it's joined in the word. So here we can see it's just a small sort of dip in the line with a small upside down comma, and that is another way. That is a ha as well. You need to learn all of these. Here we go, here's another occurrence of that. You need to learn all of these, and inshallah you will then know how to read the different texts of the Quran.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.